Hawkins, what is your team's policy in regard to athletes using drugs and alcohol?
Uh, in regards to my athletes using alcohol, these athletes are expected to be 21 years of age and are expected to drink responsibly. And in regards to drugs, my coaching staff and I have a zero tolerance policy.
What were the ages of the athletes involved?
Both athletes were 21 years old.
And how do you plan to address John Smith's second time offense?
Obviously, the punishment will be harsher for his second offense, um, but I'll also be working with John on a personal level to make sure that incidents like this don't happen for a third time.
What type of punishment do you plan to enact upon these players?
Obviously, there needs to be punishment for both of these players, the second offense being much harsher than the first offense. Um, but my coaching staff and I are meeting privately to discuss punishment for both of these players.
And Coach Hawkins, drinking and run-ins with the law seem to be a yearly topic with your team. What steps are you and your staff going to take to ensure that this trend does not continue?
Obviously, with drugs and alcohol being an issue over the past year or so, I will need to enact harsher punishment for the players that choose to disregard my team policies. I believe it's important for these players to understand that there are consequences for the actions that you take, and that these consequences could affect you or the players for the rest of their life. And I think that's very important for them to understand. Thank you.